Hi! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this easy origami cat and dog bookmark. Never miss another page of your favorite book again by transforming this cat into like this. And this dog can save your page. Just like this. So if you like this craft, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So, let's get creative, shall we? For this craft, we will be using A4 paper, markers, a ruler, and a pair of scissors. Let's get started. First, take an A4 colored paper and fold it into 3 parts vertically. The width is about 7 centimeters. Cut one part to use for this bookmark. Fold it in half horizontally. Open it up, then fold it in half vertically. Fold the 2 top corners down to the center, creating a pointy peak. Apply some pressure to make the folded lines more prominent. Then unfold it. See the creased lines that we made here? Fold both sides to make a pointy peak. Then fold each side to the center. Turn it over and repeat the same step. Hold it as shown, open and pull up both flaps together while carefully folding the sides. Then lift up the flap, making a small triangular fold. Do it on both sides. While holding both sides, fold the flaps to the center and flatten it. Fold in the pointed side for the nose. Then use colored markers to draw the dog's face and spots on the body. We just made a doggy bookmark. For the cat, we will be using the same paper size. Fold it in half horizontally, press it well to make a good crease. Open it up and fold each side to the center. Then fold them together. I prefer this bookmark to be shorter, so I'm cutting about 8 centimeters from it. Measure about 4 centimeters. Fold the top down to make an arrowhead-like shape. Then turn it over and fold both corners into a pointy peak. Fold the tip and press it well to make a good crease. Turn it over and make a fold connecting the corner to the creased line for the ears. Now, make a pinch-like fold on the side of the ears. Twist and fold the paper strip for the cat's body. Then use color markers to draw the cat's face and body. You may also fold the strip if you find the bookmark too long. Now let's see the different ways on how to use our cat and dog bookmark. And there you have it, your very own DIY origami cat and dog bookmarks. I hope you had fun making this crafty dust today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!